Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you another techniques. Starapol, Stark Knife, is a ninja strategy of veterans. For that, please subscribe, click the notification bell, so follow my Facebook and TikTok. This is to all beginners, soldiers, police, NBI. At Stark Knife, Starapol, in competition based in spars. Yummy! With a Stark Knife. You want to say again? Hi, it's almost started. Please, be careful to use and handle this. A Stark Knife, Starapol, on this level. This is a tall sports. Sports competition with a Stark Knife, Starapol. I remember this technique when I was 12 years old. My grandpa was teaching me this. A Stark Knife, fruits with the hunting knife. Hinahunting guy yung prutas pag kami nagturo ng aking grandpa nito. Sige, no? Nasabit yung prutas. I share that techniques with all of you. Magdandahan po sa ganitong klaseng techniques. Stark Knife of this level in competition. Wow! This is now student. I remember again to share this technique. The next generation of this migrant strategy. Starapol Stark Knife of this strategy. Magdadahan lang po sa pagkain nito. Okay, so may grandpa strategy. Ha! This is special for the sports. Nagamit ito guys sa sports. Itong competition na to. Stark Knife, fruits, and hunting knife. Hinahunting yung prutas sa ganitong klase strategy. Please, magdandahan lang po sa pagkain nito. May proseso po ang ganitong klaseng technique. Pag ikaw ay gumawa nito. I want to say hi, hello to all my brother hordes, my grandpa. All my students and rangers. 2008. Reminder. Be in Cali. This is good to the sports. Ginagawa ito guys sa mga sports. So guys, no? Itong techniques na to.
Start.
Please.
Messi, Messi. Another one, Messi.
Can you go over? Okay, go back.
Another one, Messi.
Guys,
No.
you want to also want this technique like Starapol. You like this? Approach.
I ate that before.
Yeah.
I played these games before. They're over there.
Thank you so much. And